Hey, the Laburnum Arch on the 24th of May 2025. Oh my goodness, at Bodnant Gardens with a vegan dog. It's just splendid. Everybody should need one. Oh yes. Oh yes, isn't it fantastic? The Laburnum Arch. Wow. There must be about 100, 150 metres of it at least. Oh yes. Wow. Yellow, my favourite colour. The positive signs of yellow are joyfulness, hope, new birth. The sun, of course, brings all that. And then the negatives are jealousy and cowardice, apparently. We say people are yellow when they're cowardly. So they're like everything. There's a positive and a negative to everything. But this only flowers, this laburnum, for a few weeks in May every year. So there you go. There you go. And the vegan dog, we are now out of the Laburnum Arch into the rest of Bodnant Gardens, which are splendid. I mean, you know, it's just splendid. Oh dear. I think those are camellias. Oh yes. Well, those are also very short flowering. Yes. There we go. They've had to cut that tree. Yes, so look at that. It's a lot of greenery. It just stays green in the rest of the summer. So it's a lovely shady thing. There we go.